I was in the supermarket today and I saw people buying syrup cough, you know, for the throat. And do you know actually what's in it? It's full of sugar, full of sweeteners, chemicals, additives. It's full things that it might help a little bit for the cough, but all of that will stay in the body, and it's basically toxins. It's even worse. It will do a worse damage than actually helping. So we need to come back to old times. Have a real honey with lemon with a little bit of warm water, and that will do wonders for everyone. Or a second option, you can have a table salt with gargles once or twice, and that's it. It will eliminate anything that's there. All right? So take care of yourself and take care of others. See you on the next video.